Hey everyone, I had so much fun making our last Christmas wreath, which you can check out here or here, wherever it is up there on the screen. Today we're going to make another one, but this time it's going to be a candy cane shaped one. And instead of using traditional Christmas fir or any kind of evergreen tree, we're going to use Cotoneaster. And hopefully I can work it out so that we variegate green and red, and well, you'll see what I mean. Come on, let's go! This is a Cotoneaster tree. I have several on my property, but this one needs a little bit of a trim, so I thought it would be perfect for our candy cane wreath. The berries are so festive looking with the green and the brown and the red. I think it's gonna make a really nice wreath. I'm really excited to make this one because it looks so Christmassy. Here is our candy cane. Let's see if we can turn this into a wreath. I'm a little hesitant because these sticks are a lot thicker than I thought they were going to be, but we're going to see what we can do. Oh, that'll work. They just need to be cut. I had to use these great big clippers because my other ones had rusted. Everything gets rusty on the coast, so this is what I had to work with. You know, you do what you got to do. Just like last time, I'm still going to use pipe cleaners because I have like a trillion of them and I don't want to let them go to waste. I need scissors!
Where are your scissors?
I'll be right back. They're in the gateway.
Okay. Oh, hello there. Hello. Oh, hi. Are you cute? Yeah. I love you. I love you. You're a good girl. Go on over there, okay? Okay, or sit there. Oh, so cute.
At this point, I decided to move all of the branches off of the table because I needed a little more space. I really thought that we were going to be able to make this go red, green, but I think we're going to settle for just putting them on here. That won't cut. Time to bring out the big clippers again. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay.
Oh, it's looking cute.
It really is, isn't it? are so There are so many little berry bunches on this. I think I can just take the little twigs off and work them into this arrangement, which is going to be so cute. We have a ways to go yet, but it's getting there, sort of.
Push this in. Push it in, because I'm seeing your shoes.
That's okay. My shoes are cute.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe we should put some fur in there. You know, fir tree fur.
I think you're right. We need to fill it in with some fur. And I think that would be perfect. Okay. Let's get some fur to fill it in with and see if that helps, because right now it's not really getting as full as I thought it was going to get. So let's do that. I think if we fill it in with some of this, it might work. Let's see. Just get some of these little sprigs. That might fill it in and make it look really pretty. Doesn't this look like dragon? Look at this. Doesn't that look like dragon scales? Doesn't that look like dragon scales? I love this because all of it looks like dragon scales. I think that might be enough. Let's go see. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this backwards because we want to fill it in from the back, kind of. Well, wait a minute. You know what? I bet you we can work these in like that. Oh yeah, that's gonna look cute. If we can just make it be under the berries like that. Oh, perfect. And then here's a smaller one for right there. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm loving this. I wish I'd put these down first, but that's okay, you know. There's no rules in art. Just kind of do it as you can. Oh my goodness, this is going to be amazing. It's so cute. It's not done yet, obviously, but I'm almost there. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is cute. Okay guys, what do you think? We have a candy cane wreath that looks kind of cool. I kind of did it wrong, but that's okay. That's what happens when you're creating. Things don't happen the way you think they're gonna happen. And there it is, our candy cane wreath. Unfortunately, it looks nothing like a candy cane anymore, and it just looks like a 7 or maybe a question mark. And I've yet again spent the day confusing my neighbors. I think it looks really good. What do you think, Mish? Mish, what do you think? Okay guys, that's all for now. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.